Welcome to my channel Sani Kids TV. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Earth is a circle shape. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Clock is a square shape. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Board is a rectangle shape. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Pizza piece is triangle shape. Oval. O-V-A-L, oval. Football is a oval shape. Star. S-T-A-R, star. Fish is a star shape. Heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Balloon is a heart shape. Parallelogram. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M, parallelogram. Eraser is a parallelogram shapes. Pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N, pentagon. Home is a pentagon shape. Hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N, hexagon. Hex nut is a hexagon shape. Cross. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Salib is a cross shape. Rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Kite is a rhombus shape. Thanks for watching.